Hi, this is the OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings and tap the sounds and vibration. To activate silent mode or to turn it off, we should use the switcher. When the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications they are muted. Just to turn off silent mode, you could only unmute, for example, a ringtone volume panel. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the silent mode icon. Click on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off. As you can see, that's so simple. And also, you could make it by another way. Just press up or down volume button, tap to these three dots. You could mute ringtone volume panel, or just to launch the settings and use from here this switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.